What's up, cousins? You see what it is. This is your urgent alert breaking news. I am looking for 5 of my cousins that want to go get $1 million with me in the next 12 months or less. Straight up. I'm talking about the legal, clean way. We're going to structure ourselves and position ourselves to get that biggest bag we done ever had so that we can preserve and save our families for what is to come. Now, I can't take everybody, but 5 of my cousins that's ready to go, that's locked in so they stop clocking in, I'm talking straight up to you. Now, I said $1 million in 12 months, but what you looking at right now is $10 million available for us. If 5 of us go in there, 12 of us go in there and get this 10 million just for being structured the right way. You ain't got to have no brick and mortar. You ain't got to have no infrastructure. I'm talking about properly structured. And that is what I'm going to be teaching you how to do, what I have done and will continue to do, using multiple vehicles to get to this path so that we can go get the biggest bag we ever had. $10 million. And all you got to do is be structured. There's multiple ways to get to that bag, but I'm showing you one here on the screen. That's one play. As you can see here clearly, my cousins then went and ran up a bag. Even if it's a 120K bag, we can do this multiple ways. Here's another way to the $1 million bag. We go and run the play 4 times like that. Boom, we had $1 million, cousins. Stop playing. You just need to know the how to, and then we can go do the do. Y'all know I always bring receipts. We gonna get this together first and real fast. Don't matter where you are in your credit journey, we gonna go ahead and get this together real quick. Here's another path. You see it on the screen, $1.08 million. Stop playing. We gotta go on the marketplace and we got to go get the wealth of the wicked that has been stored up for us. There's multiple ways to $1 million. We could do funding stacking. That's 100K right there. That's another 100K. It's almost another 100K. We had 300K right here. First play we gonna run is this play right here. You see it say, hey, Dr. T, look at this, great news. That's a 25K play. I'm gonna give you that in the first few days to go run that play. Here's another way to go get 500K. Trust me, I got the plug. This is straight text message, okay? They send these regularly because we be running the funding plays. That's 500,000 in business, and you ain't even got to have a business that is on the street, up and running. It's all about structure. You see it. We can take all of these, 5K to 200K, 5K to 500K, 5K to 5 million. Which one you want? You want all 3? Let's go. Why y'all playing? Y'all know I don't just show y'all other people receipts. I'll show you my own receipts because I did it first. And now I'm teaching others how to go do it. That's my name on this statement. Here's another one. 115K on the other statement, 148K on this one. Stop playing. See, when you structured and that report, that profile look good, you can go get you 50K, 100K, 250K, and you can do that multiple ways. You just got to know how to do it. Here's 150K without showing no proof of income tax, none of that, no documents, 150K. Here's another way to do you $17,000 in a day. Let's go, cousins. 220K. Let's go. 137,500. Let's go. Let me be honest with you. This is the reason why we need to move urgently. Before the dollar collapse and we are left with absolutely nothing, the time is now. There's no more delay. The time is right now, cousins. We got to move. And they warning because they know time is almost nigh for this to be fully implemented. And then we out of luck at this point. And the news channels are reporting, like, by this summer, we ain't got time. No, US dollar to slide further this summer. The banks are warning us, stop playing. What y'all see? Working capital, $149,000. Equipment financing, $187,000. Total, $337,000. And this is how we gonna play with that money. We gonna go get this. Real assets. Real assets. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Real assets. You heard me? This how we gonna build compounds. Make sure our family ain't never got to worry about homelessness or control. And we got access to a lot of this. Lots of it. 40 acres, 60 acres, 20 acres. Let's go. Contracts. Y'all see my husband name there, Tawanna-Worlds. This is real life. Y'all see this contract worth $19 million? This one of Dr. T. Hey, could you take this contract to do some landscaping, grounds maintenance for $1 million? Absolutely. What? $118 million. Y'all see it at the top. World's first class transportation. That's a $7 million contract. Stop playing. World's first class transportation. $41 million. Listen. I done showed y'all too many ways to get to this $1 million bag, okay? We actually going to legitimately collect what rightfully belongs to us. Like that. Then we start building infrastructure. We got the bag, now we build. Get the bag, build again. Get another bag, build some more. And keep on building. You feel me? Get something for your children's children. Yes, sir. We ain't being rich in paper. We gonna be rich in assets, rich in dirt, rich in real estate. Let's go. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Add it up. I went and got all their secrets, cousin. Now it's time for you to get them. I went and got all their secrets, cousin. Now it's time for you to get you some. You feel me? This is called a legal heist. What y'all see on the screen? Because you like Dr. T, you still ain't showed me $1 million yet. I done showed you more than $1 million. I done showed you more than $1 million, and there's multiple paths to this $1 million bag. 12 months or less. And boom, just like that. $1 million. All online. On my butt, online. There's multiple paths to $1 million. My only question now is, who's coming? It's only 5 spots available. We hitting the gas immediately because we ain't got time to play. There is an investment. It's $5K for 12 months. I don't know a fast food worker that's going to work for 12 months for $5K. I don't know a shoe shiner that's going to work for $5K for 12 months. But I'm going to help you get that $1 million bag in 12 months or less. $5K investment. I'm going to make sure you get your money right back. I done showed you too many receipts. In the first couple of days, I'm going to have you run several plays where you get your money back because now you're in profit mode. If you are one of my 5 cousins that's going with me, then let me know down below. And be ready. Don't be commenting talking about I'm ready and you ain't ready. Be ready. Because we going all gas, no brakes. And please trust and believe these spots will go fast. So you got to be faster. All right, I'll see y'all on the inside. Let's go.